Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Hyundai Elantra generation from 2011 to 2016, and we'll show you how to remove and replace the high beam headlight bulb on Hyundai Elantra. So this is the high beam headlight bulb right here. We'll show you how to do that now. We'll be taking the whole car apart, so don't forget to subscribe. We'll have many videos coming. We will open the hood, and as I said, we'll be working on the left side, the left headlight, because you don't have as much room. The right one, most of the things, okay, you can reach them without removing the headlight, but in this case we'll have to remove the headlight. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. So with the 12mm socket, we're going to remove that bolt right there. Two more bolts with 10mm socket. First one was 12, these ones are 10. Next, we'll need to remove 3 clips on the bumper, so we don't damage the bumper. I've seen people scratching their bumper because they're too lazy to remove 3 clips. So here, you need to unscrew the middle piece out, okay, hold the outside, help it with a little bitty screwdriver if you need to here, because sometimes they'll get stuck. Okay, like that, and now start unscrewing. Okay, perfect. Now you can just unscrew it. Okay, and pull it out. Okay, let me show you how it works. You see it like that. We have... Okay, I'm trying to focus because of the sunlight. One more here. And one more over there. Okay. This one came out as well. Now, you grab the headlight. The first thing that you do, okay, you need to pull towards the front. Okay, this end goes towards the front. Okay, a little bit. You hear coming out of the clips. Now you need to grab the bumper and pull a little bit towards the front. Okay, and then the headlight needs to go up, straight up. Careful not to scratch your bumper there. Now we need to disconnect the wires. You pull down and you push them out. Okay. And the headlight came out. So we get the headlight now. So for the high beams, guys, okay, it's this one, okay, right here. This is the middle bulb. Let me show you now. Okay, when you have the headlight like that, okay, the middle, the one towards the inside, this is the high beam bulb. So you unscrew the cap counterclockwise, you pull it out. Right here, that's where the bulb is. You see that spring? You need to push down, okay, and come out, okay, like that, and then go up. Next, you can go ahead and pull the bulb out. Okay, just like that. Now the new bulb, never grab it with your fingers, because the oil from your fingers will make the bulb burn fast. Okay, in this one you just pull it out. It just pulls straight out. Okay, like that, but you can see this one was pretty tight. And ours is a 2013 model. So for that 2013 model, let me find the number quick. H1. This one requires an H1 bulb. So you grab the new bulb. Never touch it on the front with your fingers, and wear gloves if you think you're going to touch it. Push it in. Okay, now right here it goes only one single way. Okay, so we need to go in like that. Okay, and it actually goes the other way. We flip the bulb. So we need to go ahead, pull it out, turn it 180 degrees, okay, and install it. And this is because that flat piece right here needs to be on this side. Okay, let me get some light here. Now you need to push the spring down, go in the canal, and install it, okay, like that. Last piece is the cap. Okay, get it tight, clockwise, and all you have to do, install the headlight in reverse order we took it apart. So now you have the two clips here, one there. You can see they go, one is here, one is over there. So first we need to go there. Okay, one person can be pulling the bumper a little bit. Okay, I know it's a little bit hard to see because of the sunshine, sorry about that. Okay, and here very careful not to damage your bumper. Okay, so we got in. Now, okay, we need to go towards the back. Okay. Okay, it's not in all the way on this side. Okay, you went in. Now we have to connect our wire. Push in until it clicks. Next we need to install the 3 bolts that we have there. One is with 12mm socket and 2 are with 10mm. Okay, get those tight, and next we need to install the clips. Okay, let me show you how you do that. You push the middle piece in first. Okay, let me focus quick because it's quite a bit of sunshine here. Okay, middle piece in, and then the outside piece you can just push it in like that. You do the same for the rest of them. Okay, and the one over there. I've seen people not removing those, but you want to be able to pull the bumper just a little bit in the corner here so you don't damage it. Next, okay, if they don't go in, you can just screw them with a screwdriver. Okay, like that. And all we got left is to get the 3 bolts tight now. Just careful not to over tighten them. So that's how we do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you need to see anything else, let us know. We'll be taking the whole car apart. Please subscribe, many more videos to come, and thank you again. See you next time.